What if success didn't mean working harder and rather working smarter, especially with your health in mind? Here is the thing, success looks very different to each individual person. Success looks different when you are living with a chronic pain like migraine. And you know what? That is okay. Shifting from survival mode to strategy mode, or as I like to call it, excelling strategic mode, changes everything. The beauty is that many people living with chronic pain become very innovative. They become innovators. They find creative solutions to balance their health and their income. You know that is one compliment one of my friend said to me a few years ago. And I was rather surprised. He said, wow, Gospel, you are a problem solver. When I tell certain friendship group about my health condition. And on this occasion, she was really surprised how I came up with a solution to a particular problem that I had. And she said, well, you are a problem solver. And I never saw myself as a problem solver. And perhaps maybe that's the same thing. That's the same as you. Many living with chronic pain are innovators. So embrace that. Here is an action step that will help you. Identify one of your tasks that you can outsource, or you can automate, or even simplify. Come up with just one this week. This could be a task that you do at home or at work. Here is the thing. Listen, protecting your health is an investment, not a weakness. And Lord knows I champion this a lot. You might be thinking, what can I outsource? What particular task can I outsource, automate, or even simplify? One example, especially one that I implemented at the early stage, was hiring myself a domestic goddess, someone that will come in maybe weekly or bi-weekly or even bi-monthly to help me clean my house. You could implement that as a start. And look, you might think, what? This is expensive. It's costing me money. Consider looking at it more as an investment rather than a weakness, because the time that you spend doing those tasks and then you now get so tired and exhausted, and then you find yourself in bed or even in pain, and then work life is affected, that income that you were so trying to save has cost you a lot more. So consider implementing into your system, outsourcing, automating, or simplifying one task this week.